Hi, so we're going to be setting up the Google business profile for this company. This is where you want to type in business.google.com at the top, and it's going to take you to this page. You will need to sign in if you have not already. Otherwise, it's going to take you to a page that asks you to set up your business or add your business to Google. So these are the instructions that I've sent. It has all of the information and the steps on this. So you're going to, of course, navigate to where we just talked about. You're going to say add your business to Google. Then you're going to enter the business name, and then you're going to enter a business category. So the business category for this one was skincare clinic. I think that's the best one for this. And then you're going to hit next. And then you may be asked in the next step if you are wanting to get free ads or if you want to set up an ad campaign or something along that line. You're going to say no. We'll skip that. We can come back to that later. They will also send you a postcard about those $500 ads in a few weeks. Step 4 should be where you answer and add a location. You want to say yes and put in the city and state that you are setting up the business in. And then you also will answer no to do you accept deliveries or office visits. We are initially going to accept no on this. The next thing we will do is add the phone number that I've given you. And then the next thing you would do at step 6 would be add the phone number and the website. Those are both listed on the sheet. And then you're going to follow that up with adding me as a user once this creates the actual account. Process of adding the user is it should populate into a screen that looks like this. You're going to go up to the 3 dots. That's step 1. Then you're going to go to business profile settings, and then you go to step 3, which says managers. And you should be able to select owner or add an owner, and then you're going to put this email into that location to add me as your manager. So that is the end of the process. That's all it takes. We're not going to do step 7. Step 7 is going to be phase 2. This is where we actually ask for the verification. Once that's set up, then we will send for that verification. It usually takes a week or so for them to bring the card. But sometimes the process that we are doing on our end to best be verified is for us to allow Google to crawl the website and pick up a few things before we submit for that. So sometimes it's a few weeks longer before we ask for that verification. But that will be step 2, and we'll follow up with that. So that is really it. If you have any questions, you can call or text me at this 479-445-8086, and I will help you out along the process with any questions that might not be covered here, but I think everything should be covered, and that should be the process for setting up the Google Business Profile. And once I get your verification that it's already done, I'll log in and check that I've got the access to the owner role, and then I will complete the process. I thank you very much.